The wiring job is now underway. We've started up and we're going to be filming the whole process, exactly what we're doing and why. The very first thing you have to do is get in there and take out the bad wiring job and then replace it with these guys right here, Dutch connectors. These are some of the best in the business. They're waterproof, they're really easy to use, and we're going to put them right here, wire by wire. And of course, whenever you're working on electrical systems in a car, the very first thing you do is disconnect the 12-volt battery. You don't want to have any power going to the car. And in this one, we also disconnected the high voltage battery.
Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold.
So this is what proper Dutch connector wiring looks like. That's waterproof and ready to be connected to the other side. Very cleanly labeled, 1 through 10, everything is in there. And that's going to fit perfectly on the other side when we're ready. This is the difference between good wiring right here and not good wiring over here. So we're about halfway done with this, but it's already looking a lot better. This is going to be a nice waterproof connector right here, matched on the other side with this one. There we go. Clicked into place. And we'll connect this. And now we've got everything connected. Okay. All right. Good. The main thing is to make sure that we're in ready mode, we're in park, and then the real test is just to see what happens. We can go into gear, and we have a backup camera, so that's also good.